You can customize your experience in CONNECTExplorer by changing your account preferences. Your preferences are saved to your Connect account, meaning that they will follow you no matter where you log in, at work, at home, or on the road. To access the Preferences window, click on the Account tab in the upper right corner of the interface. Then click Preferences to open the Preference window. Selecting the Pin Measurements by Default option causes measurements to be pinned and saved to the workspaces automatically when they are created. Show the side segment length causes side lengths of a polygon to appear when you use the Area or Identify tools. You can change the units of segment lengths from the Side Segment Units drop-down menu. Remember Me affects the locations you see when you log in. When the Remember Me box is selected, Explorer automatically returns to your last viewed location upon login. The Show Center Marker option fixes a red square in the center of the interface. Below that are several options for viewing imagery in dual pane mode. The Synchronize on Pan option causes imagery in both panes to display the same location as you pan. The Synchronize Zoom Level option causes imagery in both panes to display the same zoom level. The Synchronize Orientation option causes imagery in both panes to assume the same orientation as you rotate the imagery. For example, when you change to a north-facing image on one pane, the other image will also face north. Below that are options for exporting image files. The Image Type field allows you to change the file type of exported images. JPEG is the most popular, but you can also export your image as a GIF, PNG, TIFF, or GeoTIFF. The Scale Image option is selected by default, causing exported images to match your current zoom level. Unselecting this option will export images at the full 100% zoom level, regardless of your current zoom level in the image pane. The Add North Pointer option causes a north-facing arrow to appear on exported images. The Add Image Date option places the date that the image was taken on your exported image. If you are exporting an orthogonal or top-down image, the Add World file creates a zip package along with the exported image and an Esri World file or JGW. Below that, you can choose how to end a drawing when measuring or annotating an image. When adding a new point is selected, you can end a measurement or annotation by double-clicking the last point. When Snap Back to the last point is selected, you can end a measurement or annotation by single-clicking the final point. Elevation contour lines are also available in Explorer, and you could determine how they display in your Preferences menu. First, choose the units in which you'd like to see the elevation data. Next, choose the major and minor line colors. By default, the lines are gray, so they do not detract from other features. You can also change the width of major and minor lines. You may also choose the distance between major lines and the number of minor lines that appear between major lines. Lastly, you can set the distance between minor lines. To see the changes applied, select the Contours checkbox in the GIS Layers tab. After making any changes, click the Save button at the bottom of your Preferences menu or Cancel to discard any changes. As a reminder, these preferences will follow you wherever you log into your Connect account, whether it is in an office, on the road, or at home. Set them once to your liking or change them as needed.